Hello friends, today we shall discuss how to solve the Legendre's differential equation. In the last lecture we have studied how to solve for its general solution the Cauchy's linear differential equation. So what do we mean by Legendre's linear differential equation? The differential equation of the type, which type? A0 in bracket ax plus b to the power n, capital D to the power n, plus a1 ax plus b to the power n minus 1 d to the power n minus 1, plus dash 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 an minus 1 ax plus b d plus an in bracket times y is equal to f of x. So it is just an advanced version of the Cauchy's linear differential equation. What was Cauchy's linear differential equation? Cauchy's linear differential equation was a0, instead of ax plus b it was x to the power n, d to the power n, plus a1 x to the power n minus 1, d to the power n minus 1 likewise. Instead of this x to the power n, x to the power n minus 1, n minus 2, x, and it has now been replaced by its modified term, linear term, ax plus b. In Cauchy's, we used to put x equal to e power z. So similarly, generalizing the same fundamentals, we shall put ax plus b here. We put, what do we put? Ax plus b equal to e power z. So that z is equal to log of ax plus b. Moreover, dz by dx is a upon ax plus b. So in view of these substitutions, dz by dx is a upon ax plus b. So what would be dy by dx? Dy by dx, we know that d by dx is operator d, so it is capital D of y. Dy by dx can be written as dy by dz into dz by dx. So capital D of y is equal to dy by dz, and what was dz by dx? It is a upon ax plus b. Therefore ax plus b times capital D operating on y is also equal to a into dy by dz. Now if we represent d by dz as theta, as we did in Cauchy's linear differential equation also, here the same fundamentals. So it is a theta of y, where d by dz is equivalent to this operator theta. So what we have seen over here, ax plus b times y is equal to a theta times y. In view of this, ax plus b times capital D is equal to a theta. So this ax plus b times d is equal to a, value of this ax plus b times d is a times theta. Similarly, we can establish ax plus b whole square into capital D square is equal to a square into theta minus 1. Ax plus b whole cube into capital D cube would obviously equal to a cube times theta minus 1 into theta minus 2 and so on. If we substitute all these operators, ax plus b times d, ax plus b square d square times ax plus b whole square d square, ax plus b whole cube d cube, these values, that reduces into linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. So, by virtue of simply these substitutions, we transform this Legendre's differential equation into the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now, you need to remember this substitution. Put ax plus b equal to e power z, so that ax plus b times d is equal to a theta, ax plus b whole square d square is equal to a square, theta into theta minus 1, ax plus b whole cube d cube is equal to a cube, theta into theta minus 1 and theta minus 2. Simply, if you remember this, you can easily solve any given Legendre's linear differential equation. Now here, subject to this, we shall now solve this example on the Legendre's linear differential equation. The example is 2x plus 1 whole square d square plus 2 times 2x plus 1 times d plus 4 in bracket times y is equal to 4 sine of log of 2x plus 1 whole square. So here we obviously see here that instead of ax plus b, it is twice x plus 1. So it is Legendre's linear differential equation. So it is given differential equation. Number 1. I will write the solution part here. Solution. Here ax plus b is equal to 2x plus 1. So here we put, this is Legendre's linear differential equation. Remember the acronyms. LLDM is Legendre's linear differential equation. Now, as it is Legendre's linear differential equation, we put. Therefore, we put. What we put? Ax plus b here is twice x plus 1. Equal to e power z. In view of this substitution, z is equal to log of twice x plus 1. And twice x plus 1 times d, I have told you it is equal to a times theta. Here value of a is 2. So it is 2 times theta. Where theta is obviously equal to d by dz. Moreover, twice x plus 1 whole square into capital D square is equal to 2 square into theta minus 1. This is just due to this substitution only. This follows. Obviously, we have seen this in earlier theory. So, we put, therefore, we put in equation 1. Equation 1 was Legendre's linear differential. I am going to put this 2x plus 1 whole square d square is equal to 2 square into theta minus 1 plus 2 times into 2x plus 1 into d is 2 times theta plus 4 operating on y is equal to 4 sine log of 2x plus 1. What is log of 2x plus 1? It is z. Now, see here. Log of 2x plus 1 whole square, that also means 2 times log of 2x plus 1. So, it is log of 2 times log of 2x plus 1 is z. So simply it is sine of 2z. So let us see what it becomes. 2 times theta square, 4 theta square minus 4 theta. 4 theta square minus 4 theta plus 4 theta plus 4 operating on y is equal to 4 sine of 2z. Therefore, 4 theta square plus 4 is equal to 4 sine of 2z. Moreover, theta square plus 1, this is times y. Theta square plus 1 times y is equal to sine of 2z. See here, by virtue of this substitution, this Legendre's linear differential equation has now been reduced to this differential equation. Theta square y plus y equal to sine of 2z. This is, well, obviously theta is d by dz. This is the linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. Now, we shall solve this linear differential equation with constant. We know this, how to solve this here, where auxiliary equation is theta square plus 1 equal to 0. Theta square plus 1 is equal to 0. Roots are theta is equal to plus minus I. 0 plus minus I. Therefore, YC, the complementary function is C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Alpha is 0, beta is 1. Moreover, next, what is Pi? No, I am sorry, it should be Z. What? Here it is not D, perhaps it is theta over here. D is d by dx, theta is d by dz. So I have introduced this Z here. C1 cos z plus C2 sin z, moreover equal to C1 cos, what was z? Log of 2 plus cos of log of 2x plus 1 plus C2 sin of log of 2x plus 1. Now yp. Yp is obviously equal to 1 upon f of theta into sine of 2z. This is a trigonometric case for yp, and its shortcut method is replace theta square by minus square of the coefficient of this sine z. This coefficient is 2. 2 square is 4. So I would now be replacing theta square by minus 4. So that is equal to 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 into sine of 2z. That is further equal to minus 1 by 3 sine of 2z. Moreover, it is equal to minus 1 by 3. The general solution must be expressed in terms of x, not in terms of z. Z was log of 2x. Minus 1 by 3 sine of 2 times log of twice x plus 1. Or minus 1 by 3 sine of log of 2x plus 1 whole square. Therefore, the general solution is y. It is represented by y. Yc plus yp. Yc we have seen that. C1 cos of log of twice x plus 1 plus C2 sin log of twice x plus 1, whereas yp is minus 1 by 3 sin of log of 2x plus 1 whole square. That is the complete general solution of your this given Legendre's linear differential equation. Here you need to remember this substitution. 2x plus 1 or ax plus b into d is equal to a times theta. Ax plus b whole square d square equal to a square into theta minus 1 and so on. You can very easily solve this by reducing itself into the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Thank you very much. Thank you.